Hello guys. So in this video we are going to start with operators in Python. So this is one of the important tools, or you can say the features of Python, which makes our program smarter and powerful. And this program, the features are useful in calculating, using logical process, or you can say in making decisions while using Python. So let's start with our first operator, that is arithmetic operator. As the name suggests, arithmetic, so it will be related to mathematical operation. Let's say I have defined variable a and assigned a value 10, and variable b and again assigned a value 3. How we can perform the mathematical operations in Python? For let's start with the basic example, addition. We will be printing the sum of two numbers that is present in variable a and b. So the answer which we will be getting is 13. This is called addition operator. Then let's say we want to minus 3 from 10. This is subtraction. Now here comes division. For division, we will be using backward slash. So let's say a divided by b. We might be getting 3.333 something. Yes. So for division, we use backward slash. Then comes multiplication. A for multiplication, we will be using star or asterisk for multiplying. And in the output, you are getting 30 because 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Now, we will be going to learn about exponential. Make sure don't get confused with exponential and multiplication. For performing exponential calculation, we will be using a double star to the power b. So this is nothing but a to the power b. So we will be getting 1000. Let's say in case of division, we want to find modulus. Modulus means remainder. So for example, if we divide 10 by 3, we should get 3 as a remainder, because my bad, if we divide 10 by 3, we will get 1 as a remainder. So this is 1. Okay, so 3 is the 9, 9 minus 10 minus 9, 1. Then what if we want to get this 3, only 3, while performing division? For that purpose, we will be using a backward slash b. So instead of getting this decimal number, we should get, see, we are getting 3. So what it is doing, it is rounding to the uh, recent previous whole number. Okay, so this was arithmetic operators. Now let's start with comparison operator. So what is comparison operators? So basically this will help us to compare two variables or any two given elements. For a time being, we will be using as a variable for this explanation purpose. So let's start. Let's check. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 13. So I want to check whether x and y are equal or not. So for checking it, we will be using print x equal to, because we are checking the variables whether they both are equal or not. We are using equal to. Here I will pass y. So before going further, let me comment out this. See, as 10 is not equal to 3, sorry 13, it is throwing us false. What if I convert this 13 to 10? So it is giving us true. So equal to check whether two variable are equal or not. If it okay, so this is the way how we read the output of using comparison operations. So these things we are going to use in finance, like for a particular task like creating screeners, checking out whether the whether a few parameters are met before investing, or in back testing you can check various parameter. So basically it is in decision making whether we should invest at this point in time or not, or trade at this point of time or not. Okay, then comes not equal to. So basically let me copy and paste this print function. See what it is saying, that x and y are equal, so that's why it is throwing us false. What if I do y is equal to 13? So now as they are not equal, it is throwing us true. It is saying like true, it is true that they are not equal. What if I again do it as 10? So what the Python script is saying, look, x and y is not equal. So basically whether we are checking whether x is equal not equal to y or not. So it is kind of Python is saying false, they are equal. Now let's check greater than. See, as they both are equal, it is throwing false because x is not greater than y. So let me use 100 over here. Now it is throwing us true. Output is true. So basically we are getting yes, x is greater than y. What if I reduce x is equal to 1 from 100 to 1? It is throwing us false. Basically we are asking check whether x is greater than y. So the answer we are getting is false. This was greater than operations. Now we will be checking less than operation. So basically we are asking check whether x is less than y. So it is giving us true because x value is 1 and y value is 10. Again I have changed the x variable to 100 and I am executing this file. Now it is throwing us x is not less than y. So that's why it is false. Now what if we want to check whether they are less than or equal to? Okay, so a bit of focus is needed over here. So let's say we want to check whether it is less than equal to. The first condition in this statement will be check whether x is less than y. If it is true, then return true. If it is not, then return false. Or as well as check whether they are equal to or not. So if they are less than or if they are both are equal, it will return us true. So let's start. X is less than y. So let me begin with a single one. No, it is not less than. is x is equal to y? It is saying yes. Now we will be combining both of them. So check whether x is less than or equal to y. This time we will be getting true because they both are equal. What if I reduce x is equal to 1? As we are checking whether they are less than as well, so we will be getting true. But as and when I will increase this x to greater than y value, that is 11, we will be getting false. So this was two comparison, no, sorry, two operators in Python. One is comparison, another is arithmetic. So for the purpose of keeping this video short, I am ending this lecture over here. In the next lecture, we will be checking logical operators. So that is it. Thank you.